Students, how to prepare for UT3. So here you will begin with the Java fundamentals, where you have to learn the definitions of JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine, bytecode, Java compiler, features of Java. All right. OOPS concepts with example, whether it is polymorphism, encapsulation to abstraction to inheritance, right? All the concepts with the definition and the example. All right. So please, prepare all these things very fast. Don't waste too much time over here. Then you have to move to questions of writing Java expression, because every time in the board examination you will find one question of writing Java expression. All right. Then we have token, data type, right? Primitive, non-primitive. So students' question can come in the form of differences also. All right. So if the concept is clear, so you can always write the difference. Then evaluation of an expression, just like we have int a equal to 5, comma b equal to 2, and then this long expression with the plus plus and minus minus is there, with the shorthand notation also. So these kind of questions must be practiced, because every time in the board one question is from this topic. Okay. Then we have questions of solving expressions using the math functions. So math functions, when they are coming with the print method and all, so how does it work? How various uh, results are delivered by different math functions. So that also you need to know, right? Especially the functions like POW, SQRT, ABS, and then we have seal, floor, round. All these functions are very important. Okay. After that, we move to the ternary operators. And here I'm not suggesting only these method or those these math function you have to study. You have to study all the functions of the math class, right? After that, we have here and one more rint is there. Okay. Then ternary operator, that's pretty important, with question mark and the colon sign. How it can be a substitute for if else, how it can be written. Then if else switch, right? And I hope it's clear to you all. If else switch is there, right? And their difference, it's important. Then fall through is there, default is there. Then loop for while, do while, converting one type of loop to the other type. Like for is given, you have to write it in the while, or while is written, then they are asking for write it in the do while or for. Okay. After that, students, we have nested loop, what it is all about and how does it work. Difference between entry and exit. All right. uh, Entry and exit control loop. Okay. Break and continue, their applications you must be aware of. Okay. Then concept of array, all the definitions and whatever is given, right? And then 1D array is there, so output questions of the array, difference between the class and the objects, function definition, method call by value, call by reference, all these things are there. Actual and formal parameter, which I have already told you. Pure impure also I've told you, right? So that's all these things are important. Then auto boxing and unboxing. Then concept of this keyword, so this keyword, just write one statement, it represents the current object, right? Now after that, we have number programs, series programs, printing pattern, uh, ones are there, right? All our programs either menu driven or through function overloading, means these questions are not going to be direct, they will be a part of some other program. It can be a menu driven or it can be a function overloading. All right. After that, we have linear search. All right. Then bubble sort single array to array, right? It's there. So now understand the format. It's a board pattern. uh, the paper was of 35 and it was of 1.5 hours, so that way it has been designed. Section is of 15 marks, that is the theoretical questions are there. Then for programming, that is of 20 marks. Two programs are to be done, two programs, each 10 marks each. All right, two programs, 10 marks each, that is there. All right. So I hope everybody has the clear idea that how to prepare for the UT3. All right. Thanks everyone.